segment, we have come up with a new car for the Indian market.
We take a leap to a revolutionary new driving experience. The modern India is that offers the dual benefits, the ease of an automatic and the fuel efficiency of a manual. Together with you, we would like to take this leap today from a stressful drive to an easy drive. Ladies and gentlemen, we take this leap with the Celerio, a revolutionary way in which India drives. The Celerio is an exciting proposition, carefully developed, keeping in mind consumer needs. At the heart of the easy drive is India's first auto gear shift, which allows total freedom. It's backed up with an exceptional best-in-class fuel efficiency. Technology has been a core area while designing and developing the Celerio. It extends all the way from the engine to the transmission, extending from the front onto the sides and all around. The Celerio has a dynamic stance which gives it a big and rear passengers. The roomy cabin adds to this spacious.
In your cities to showcase. Today, I am happy to meet you at this launch of Celerio in Chennai. Families are looking for a vehicle that meets all their life expectations, be it the morning even more.